We are going to make bitter leaf soup. Trust me, after watching this video, you will be pleased. We are making this bitter leaf soup is not with palm oil, but with palm fruit water. Alright, just stay tuned and let's just go diving inside the kitchen to see what we can be able to, come out with. Now, this particular bitter leaf soup is mainly for Anambra. The thickener is just take calm. I know you want to hear what I'm using taking this one. Just take calm and watch the end. Now, first of all, we have our stockfish head well washed. All right. Now we simply will put more the one they call cow skin. Now we have ice fish. Trust me, after watching this video, you'll be amazed. Our ice fish. This is scumbia, washed, cut, clean very well. Now we go in with what? Our crayfish. Trust me, after watching this video, you'll be well pleased. This is one of the simplest soup to prepare. Trust me. Now, after that, we go in with our water. Trust me, after watching this video, you will always want to try this particular recipe. You do well to stir very well to make sure that everything is well combined. Have you checked other of my videos? Which one do you find interesting? In this particular channel, we teach you how to cook any kind of African food and food game challenge or eating competition in whichever way. Now we combine everything together, then we cover to cook for the least 15 minutes. Now our fish is ready. The stockfish is soft already. Everywhere is scenting. Like my neighbors will say, what is going on here? It's like they are doing some kind of occasion here. Now this is our palm fruit extract. All right, this is what we're using as a palm oil. After you cook your palm fruit with this one off camera, you cook your palm fruit. Once it's softened, if you have small water, you can just pan a little. All right, or if you don't have water, you can use your hand to squeeze out the water and use a very tiny shifter to filter it. After that, just pour everything, nothing like to extract the oil or to extract the water out. All right, then pour everything inside the pot and cook for like 5 minutes. Then you go on with more crayfish. I know you'll be surprised, this plenty crayfish. Yes, crayfish is one of the innovative spices you can use. This is called Ogiri. This is what I'm adding now. Ogiri. You know what it's called? Ogiri. I think Ogiri is made up with some native concoction stuff. This Ogiri will make your soup to be extraordinary. People from Anambra State, Nigeria, we understand what I'm talking about here. Do well to let me know if you're going to try this particular recipe this week. Then we go in with our catfish, dry catfish, well washed already. This soup is choked with a lot of accidental bites. Fish, dry fish, fresh fish, cow skin, stockfish. Like this soup is choked with a lot of things. In case when making your own soup, be careful of the ice fish. Maybe once the ice fish is done, that first 15 minutes, you can bring out the ice fish so that you not, scatter when stirring your, meal. But if you trust your ice fish, we can do what to leave it. But advise you bring them out so that you can be able to see it after you after cooking, right? Now this we are going now with our Cocoyam. All right, the one they call Ede. Now, how do we prepare this Cocoyam? We cook for like 15-20 minutes. Once it's softened, we put in the mortar and pan. We have to pan this when it's hot. Don't allow it to get cold before you pan it. If not, you are going to suffer. Trust me. When it's hot, pan it and make sure you pan to nothing, like it will be very smooth. After that, introduce it to your pot. Once you put it, you want doing it now, just cover the pot. Come there in next 5 minutes. Trust me, you will not see any seed of it again. Like, it's like magic. Have you tried this soup before? If you have tried, let me know on comment section. Now, these next 5 minutes. Now we go in with our bitter leaf. There's easiest way to wash bitter leaf so that you will still have, it will not be too bitter. And some people also ask me, how did I make this long bitter leaf? Listen, if you want to make your bitter leaf to be long like this, once you bring your bitter leaf, sun it. All right, sun it maybe for like depend how hot the weather is. Just sun it. After sun it, just do what to wash it. Don't wash as if you're washing gin. Just wash a little. Do it to mix everything together. Now our soup is ready. Let me know if you're going to try this during this week. This is one of the best soup you're going to see on the internet today. Soup is 99% ready. See how it's boiling. Do well to stir and mix and just taste it. Everywhere is scenting. I know my neighbors will say, what is going on? Who is spoiling our nose with this particular, sweet dish? Do well to subscribe to the channel and share this video. If you have any question you want to ask, do well to ask on comment section. I'm always available to attend to you. Thank you for watching.